Passy, explain your answer. So we must say that ovulation occur on day 14. Mature egg is released. And then it also happened that it can survive for 2 days. Then if sexual intercourse occurs on sperm can enter into the oviduct, alright, which survive for 1 day. So it is possible for it to fertilize the egg and lead to pregnancy. Besides, the thickness of the uterine lining is suitable to receive the fertilized egg. Partly, if fertilization takes place, then the uterine lining will keep its thickness. Why? This is for the implantation of the zygote, and it also helps development of the placenta. Question 5. Let's look at the ultrasound diagram first. Alright, and this is the uterus. So the uterus is on the outside. So these are the uterus. And therefore there should be the amnion enclosing the fetus, and therefore there is the placenta. Alright, so we have the placenta here, and therefore this line is the umbilical cord, and this is the fetus. So part A, structural adaptation of A, and we have to talk about 2. So part A is the placenta. So it just asks about the placenta structural adaptation. Alright, the placenta's structural adaptation. First of all, it has finger-like villi, which increases the surface area for diffusion. And then the second part is the membrane between the fetus and the uterus blood space is very thin. It provides a short distance for diffusion, so we say it shortens the diffusion distance. And the first thing we can mention is about there are large network of capillary, alright, at the placenta, so that it carry the materials rapidly away to provide a steep concentration gradient to enhance diffusion. Question B, suggest the type of vessel. So 2 marks. When it says type, no need to mention the name. Therefore, let's look at B. Alright. D. Alright, compared to B, it has a thicker wall, so therefore it has thick wall, thick muscle wall. Therefore, it is the type of muscle, so it is the artery. It is an artery. So this talk about alcohol consumption. Alright, alcohol consumption, it is from the mouth. Alright, and how does it travel to the fetus and harm it? Alright, so it is talking about mother's small intestine to the fetus, only major organ and blood vessel. So that means you don't need to indicate the chamber of the heart. Now let's use it. Alright, first of all, from the small intestine, then it goes to the hepatic portal vein, then the vein will bring all the blood to the liver. From the liver, the blood need to leave it, so it is the hepatic vein, then it will join the vena cava, then it will go to the heart, from the heart to the pulmonary artery, then it takes it to the lung, and then come back from the pulmonary vein, coming back to the heart, then it will go out through the aorta, then at the aorta it will branch into some artery, and then this artery may bring it to the uterus, then at the uterus it goes to the umbilical vein, then it goes to the fetus. You can add here the placenta. So contraception, tie up and cut the oviduct. Right, talk about the change in thickness. Right, why not affected? Why not affected? So we must know. All right, first of all, the thickness of uterine lining is controlled, affected by sex hormone. The sex hormone which is secreted by the ovary. The ovary is not removed, functioning normally. Therefore, all right, the hormone is carried or transported by blood. That is, it can reach the target organ. Therefore, thickness of uterus lining continue to change.